How's it going, dudes? My name is Dannyowza, and this is SOMA. Now, where we left off, I need a thingy to get more thingies, and I'm gonna do that now. Yay! I think, if I remember, yes. There are environments on here, so wait. Here we go. Okay, so I can, freak. Let's see. Scan room. Copy to chip. That seems. Salies. Do not use. Float tank. Sure, let's try that one too. Transfer to 9 corrupt data. Okay. Okay, well, scan room is the only other one that I feel like would make sense, because ski lodge is just like a beach. It's something he's not going to recognize. Ooh, wait, what's this?
Strusky, come in. I need help in the lab, the scan room.
What happened?
Conrad killed himself after the scan.
Jesus, how?
Maser tool? What should I do?
I'm gonna need to tell Strohmeyer.
No, please! I'm so close. Strohmeyer's gonna shut down the art project. It's not my fault people keep killing themselves.
Catherine, what are you gonna do? It's not like you can sneak a 300-pound body out of the lab.
I know.
Catherine, are you okay?
Not even close.
Well, dang. Oh, hi. I'm tired of walking around all limp and stuff. There's blood by that door. What's it? Oh, you. Every time I walk in here, the lights go freaking fracking. Lights. Oh, I don't need this stress.
I wish I knew Brandon. Here we go. Brandon 1's room. I'll just override the lock for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
If we get to know him, maybe we can make the simulation a little smoother.
Yeah, that makes sense. Akers finally agrees to evacuate Delta. Goya, Creer, and I moved into Theta today. Akers said he'd stick around for a while longer, that crazy bastard. I take pride in my work, but goddamn that place is miserable, since the service stopped sending parts. Oh dang. Did my ARC scan together with Alice.
Brandon mentions a girl named Alice. They did their scans together.
Alice Coster? We could try to make him think that she's there during the simulation. Might make him talk. Not sure how though. Keep looking.
Strohmeyer went ballistic and shut down all future scans for the ARC project. Apparently Conrad wanted on the continuity and just fried himself right in the pilot seat after the scan. Something tells me we'll be getting new security ciphers. Just heard that Conrad survey team is going to Delta and pick up Akers. He's been alone for months now. Can't imagine what he's been up to. Okay, so I still need a little more piece of information. Let's see. Ooh, it's this. Brandon, I'm really a mess about the scan. Everyone is being so brave. All smiles, no regrets. You know how you said you would hold my hand during the scan? And if the offer still stands, I gratefully accept. If we do it together, we could suffer the hangover together as well. They say it takes a couple of days to recover. Kisses, Alice.
Alice and Brandon were definitely united.
Good. Then we should find a way to incorporate her into the scan.
How can I incorporate her into the scan? Rare Child Award. What's this?
Brandon, you ready to go? Strohmeyer says it's time to move.
I'm waiting for Stratsky and Alvaro to pack up their stuff. Head downstairs and I'll meet you there.
Don't take too long.
Don't worry, we're right behind you.
I think I just heard Alice talking to Brandon on the intercom. Seems like they were getting ready to leave.
You got that from the intercom? Must be a transmission buffer. Hang on. Great. This is exactly what we need. I think we got this, Simon. I can synthesize Alice's voice from the intercom and use it to impersonate her for the simulation. We could trick them into feeling safe enough to open up.
Great. Definitely feeling good about this.
Good job with the intercom. I didn't know you could data mine. What's it like?
It's just something that I do now.
So it comes naturally to you. That's really interesting.
Yeah, I'll make sure to add it to my dating.
There's a restricted area, and there was stuff that was property of other people. Well, I want it. What was that? I don't like hearing things in the background. What's this? Dear friends, when you read this, I will have entered the Ark. As I've explained, this is accomplished by ceasing to live as your scan is being completed. So not frightened, Catherine. I will do this in secret by folding cyanide salts in a chewing gum and placing it in my mouth before seeing her. When I hear her announce completion, I will bite down quickly, causing my own demise. When you discover the truth behind my death, know there's no tragedy to mourn. For I am victorious. I advise you all to do the same and join me inside the Ark. Sincerely, Mark Serang. Okay. Oh, I can't pick that up. Yeah. Oh, whatever. So Mark done killed himself. Dang it, Mark. Yeah. I'm still very disoriented. Oh, it's in here. Ah. No, this is the one I already put my fist through. Dang. Wait, Robin. Oh, Robin, you were the girl outside. Did you done killed yourself too? Yes, yes you did. Poor Robin. Why'd you people done do that? There's no reason. We're all dying anyway. I'm all in. I put my faith in Serang and the continuity. Dang. Oh, jeez. What was that? I have a pillow! I'll mess you up. Mess you up. Yeah. Whoa. Well, dang. Eh. Gosh, I'm still very disoriented. That's what's weird about this game. You don't get health back. You have to find those little plugs into the wall, whatever they are, and stick your hand in them to get your health back. Oh, whatever. Yeah, no more sparkies for that room over there. The lights could jangle and... Was that open before? It wasn't open before. Why is that open now? Oh god, there's something in here. There's something roaming around the halls.
I compiled an Alice module that we can use.
So she'll be with Brandon in the simulation.
Sort of. I'll still need to do the talking, but it'll sound and look like Alice.
This old ship. Oh, I left that ship in the other room. Gosh dang it. Here's the ship. Be my chip. That still really freaks me out how the doors all of a sudden like slightly crack. Okay. Oh, environment data. Okay, so scan room with Alice. Run it.
That wasn't so bad. Stromae really got me worked up, bastard.
Well, that's what you get for listening to his stories.
I guess I had it coming.
About Stromae. He said he needed a new cipher ASAP. What should I tell him?
It's all right. I can talk to him.
Wait, didn't Sean just tell you to take it easy? Don't worry, I'm not gonna tell anyone.
I do feel hungover. Okay. It's 1729/42. 7. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. I'm sorry, Mr. Long. Red. Goodbye.
Lady. No, wait.
That's enough. We got what we need.
Is that what we are? Simulations?
Yeah, but it shouldn't make any difference. You're still you. I'm not sure what to do with the data. You decide.
Shut down, restart, shut down, restart, shut down. Shut down. Shut it down. Shut it all down. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Simon, we got it. We can get to the Dunbat now. Get back here.
Yay! Saving. Oh, there's a thing I can stick my hand into and get my health back. Love me. Okay, I feel energized now. Energized and raring to go.
Catherine, couldn't we just have extracted the cipher from Brandon's data somehow? It's so cruel bringing him back like we did.
No, that's impossible. Memories don't work like that.
Let's just hope it was worth it.
Okay.
There you are. Just warming up the Dunbat for us. It's been collecting dust for months, so it might need a minute. Okay, that's it. That's everything. Let's go ahead and... Huh. That's weird. Huh. Never mind.
What do you need me to do?
Head inside the dock. The Omnitool can open the door now. And get into the Dunbat. Then plug me in, and I'll take us into the Abyss.
Sounds easy enough.
I don't like it when you say never mind. It doesn't... Oh, I need the Omnitool. You never say never mind. You tell me what you think is wrong or out of place so I can prepare myself. Like, oh, weird, the door's open when it wasn't before. That's pertinent information that I would love to know. Okay. Swipe Omnitool, sweep and swipe. There. Is that the Dunbat? Wow, that was way smaller than what I thought it'd be. So how am I supposed to get into that? Yeah, I thought the Dunbat was gonna be way bigger, jeez. Warning, watch out for moving doors. Okay. Oh, a little terminal. I think this needs to be plugged in. Eve. Push. Apparently it's ready. All systems activate. Come on. Critical failure? Oh no. Ooh, ooh. Oh no, I broke it! I broke the Dunbat! No! That was like my one way out. Why does all my things break when I touch them? Oh god. I messed up. I messed up, guys. Oh, I don't like this one bit. That looks like a way out. Here. God, what am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do? Now that I broke the Dunbat, I thought that was like my one ticket out of here. Well, that doesn't look good. I don't want to fall. Oh, shoot, looks like I'm going to have to fall. But... Oh, wait a minute. I have a bad feeling about this, guys. I'm totally gonna die! I'm about dead. Well then. Ain't that fantastic? And now I'm in a vent. And I am going places. And now I'm saving. Okay. Oh. That sounds utterly fun and fantastic. Let's go to the vent. I really don't like these sounds I'm hearing. Can we stop them? Boop. Ooh, a laboratory. I want that to close. And so no one comes up behind me on my rump. Ooh. Oh, good. I can talk to Catherine.
Huh? Wait, this isn't... Oh,
Yeah,
no!
yeah.
Wow got to the Dunbat before we did, am I right?
Well, it was talking. That's rarely a good sign.
Damn it. The Dunbat was our best shot. I was really banking on this to work.
Come on, we can't quit now. There's gotta be another way. How do you think you did it? How did the team get the Ark down the abyss in the first place?
If they didn't use the Dunbat, the only other way would be the climber at Omicron. It's like an elevator which supposedly reaches all the way down into the abyss.
Okay, so we do that. We go to Omicron and take the elevator.
Yeah, okay. Sure. We'll just head over to Omicron and hope there's a power suit that fits you. You know, so you don't implode while in the abyss.
Mm-hmm.
That does sound useful.
Alright, let's go then. Wait, what is this place? Seems to be a lot of information on the Ark here. There's a prototype and everything.
Okay.
Let's start it up. I want to see how it works. Maybe we can figure out how to get on the Ark.
Yes, let's figure it out.
You didn't know how to get us on?
How difficult could it be?
I'm gonna do the science, okay? Ooh, computer. Move, chair, I gotta do the science. Documents, my decision. I have decided to finalize the Ark with the scans we have. I'm sorry for all of you who wanted to go, but didn't get a chance to scan yourself before the project was put on hold. It's been 2 months since I've added a scan, and I don't see how I'll ever be able to win back the support of you all showed when we started the project. I'm sorry, I never meant for anyone to take their lives. It was never my intention to fool anyone. I just want to save something. Dr. Catherine Chun. What's left? Stuff, and more stuff. Cool. Oh, wait, no. There's more on the computer. Arc locator. Yeah, I know where the Ark is. I already knew that. Arc. Oh, start examination. Oh. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. Ooh, a thingy. Plug it in. It's doing things. It's doing science, approximately. Memory corrupted. Like almost 44% memory corrupted. Simulation record configuration necessary. Okay. Okay, so I can remove files. I need to remove enough files to where... Still can't hit next. We don't need any of these things. Okay, now I'm going to go down the list and actually think of what we do need. We definitely need all the physics. I don't even know what that is. Sure. Oh, I don't have much left. Let's get sun and moon. Full moon. Clouds. A chair. How much space do I have left? A number. I have 83? Is that right? Yeah, 83. I have 83 space left. Yeah, I'm 3 over. Is the goal to get it exactly to 1152 terabytes? Holy crap, I just noticed that it's terabytes. Jesus Christ. That's a lot of memory. Oh. I think I see what I'm doing. Maybe. Ah, I figured it out. Okay, so pretty much you start at the beginning, and you're pretty much just trying to, just pretty much do what the computer says. It said what it told you what the basic requirements were, and you're pretty much just filling it out. And just following directions, I guess. I don't know. I did it! Yay!
Try loading a dummy scan. It shouldn't be that difficult.
Do me.
I just want to make sure I understand how the scan data is formulated before we start messing around with the real ARC. Run the simulation and then hit pause while the code is running. It'll give me a cross-section of the process.
Pause.
You need to pause while the dummy is loaded, otherwise I can't know if it's working or not.
Oh, geez. Okay, so I'm slowing it down to where the dummy is gonna come up. There it is. My diagnostics.
Yes, of course. So precise, so perfect.
Nothing like admiring your own work.
What? Oh, right.
So now we know how to get on the Ark, right?
Kind of.
What?
It's just I don't really know what you are. Maybe there's a way to plug you in, or maybe scan somehow. We need to figure this out before we leave.
Okay. What can figure me? Multi-purpose volumetry. Looks like I can poke it. And
What's this thing?
That's just a compound examiner. Coster uses it to investigate structural integrity of computer frameworks.
Of course.
Did you fit inside it? If I knew what you were made of, it would be a hell of a lot easier to figure out how to get you on the Ark.
makes sense.
Let's try.
Okay. Ooh. Oh. I'm in the dark.
Bit of a tight
Yeah.
fit.
Can you reach the on switch?
I sure can. I'm a dummy.
Should I be worried about radiation?
I think we're beyond that. Interesting. You seem to be one with the diving suit you're wearing. Everything's meshed together.
How's that gonna work with the suit we're picking up at Omicron?
I think they're bigger. You should be able to wear them both.
Imogen. Who's that?
It looks like the basis for your body is one of my old colleagues. A standard Cortex chip for robots, including the data reader and the OcuTorch, has just been forced through the skull.
What?
Structure gel has fused the whole construction together. Amazing stuff.
No, hold on, back up. I'm one of your old colleagues?
Well, your body is. Imogen Reed.
That's disgusting.
Hey, don't say that. She was nice to me. Anyway, the Cortex chip is good news. That means we can transfer your mind to the Ark with a pilot seat.
Kath, I'm half a dead person.
Yes, it makes sense. Think about it. All those simplistic minds we've run into, just reviving a dead person doesn't seem to work that well. A robot body seems to make people a bit unreliable. You are the best of both worlds. A sound mind and a sound body.
Yeah, it makes total sense. So I have a human skeleton inside of my suit. That isn't
We
weird.
done here? Can we go to Omicron and get my new suit man?
Yeah, we should get going.
Off to Omicron we go.
Want to bring this Ark as a backup?
Now, that wouldn't work. This is just a prototype.
good. I prefer to travel light.
Let's go. Don't forget to take me with you.
Okay. Not like I could even get out of here unless I had you with me. Okay, dudes, I'm gonna have to end the video here before I go off into the dark corridor over there. Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic day and join me in my next adventure in SOMA. Bye!